As you can see from the picture on your screen, our oven-baked chicken wings are very similar looking to deep-fried chicken wings. And because we are using frozen chicken wings and need to thaw them out, we can take this opportunity to bump up the flavor. We're going to use a little bit of liquid smoke. That's 2 cups of water and 1 tablespoon of liquid smoke. We're going to add 12 chicken wings to our liquid smoke. And by the way, this is a great opportunity for those of you who want to add some hot and spicy stuff. You want to add it now. You do not have to write this recipe down because we will display on your screen before the video ends the complete recipe and the cooking time. We'll go ahead and let these wings stay in this bowl of smoke water for at least an hour, but you could leave them in overnight if you wanted to. Once you're ready, preheat the oven to 425 degrees. We're going to use a sealed container because that's the easiest way to get the coating on the chicken. We're going to add some baking powder, and we're going to add some brown sugar. The brown sugar will caramelize on the outside of the chicken wing during the baking process, and that'll make them nice and crispy, but it'll also bump up the flavor. Now for our oven-baked barbecue chicken wings, we're going to add chili seasoning. That's not chili powder, that's chili seasoning. You don't have to buy this large container of chili seasoning. You'll find the McCormick's brand chili packet at your local grocery store. Then we'll put the lid on the container, shake it up, and get everything mixed together before we put the chicken in. Next, we want to take our chicken out of the smoke water and dry it off. In our case, we're going to use bar mops. Of course, you can use paper towels if you want. We'll put a few pieces of chicken in the container and give it a good shaking. Using a container like this helps keep your hands clean. Now you want to take the chicken out and put it on a wire rack. It's not a bad idea to spray the rack with a cooking spray like Pam. Then we can put our wings in the oven for the first time on the middle rack. You don't need to put them under the broiler. Next, we're going to mix together a 50-50 blend of barbecue sauce and honey. The barbecue sauce, the honey, along with the chili seasoning makes a very unique barbecue flavor that you're welcome to claim as your own. After about 20 minutes in the oven, remove the wings and smother them with this barbecue sauce and honey. Make sure that you flip them over and get both sides. After you're satisfied that the wings are completely covered with that honey and barbecue sauce, we're going to stick them back in the oven. After another 20 minutes in the oven, it's time to take out your oven-baked barbecue chicken wings. And because it's chicken, you want to make sure that the inside temperature is 160 degrees before you serve it. I personally like to smother the wings in barbecue sauce before I serve them. Well, there you go, folks, the complete recipe as promised on your screen. And if you think we did a good job on this video, a thumbs up would certainly be appreciated. Thank you very much. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, well, I recommend you subscribe. Thanks for watching.